Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jordan, aka Juicesandberries, and in this video I'm going to show you guys what I typically eat in a day, and I'm getting real. I'm showing you guys what I really eat in a day. So right now I am going to make a smoothie for breakfast. So I've got some oat milk, some frozen berries, a banana, and then this hemp and CBD infused hemp, which is just a really great source of protein. Here it is, and I just like to add the protein just because it actually makes it into a meal, so that way I can be filled up. So I just got done with my workout. It actually started raining in the middle, but I went to 7-Eleven and I picked up some snacks, including my Roar Organics. It's actually one of my favorite drinks right now. It's really low in sugar, it's organic, and it has a bunch of electrolytes and antioxidants that help replenish you after a workout. So I grabbed one of these, and then I also got some other snacks that I'll show you guys. So I also got some sweetened mango. I also got my smoked almonds. They're just so good, and they're just a great compliment for after a workout. So I just got home, I'm wearing clothes, and I just did my hair in the shower. Now I think I'm just gonna make a really quick salmon, asparagus, and brown rice, just because it's really quick, because your girl's gotta sit underneath the dryer. So hey guys, so thanks for checking out my what I eat in a day video. I just wanted to close it out by talking about the fact that I am eating meat again. I was feeling just really low energy, kind of depressed. I was losing a ton of weight and just having lots of breakouts, and instead of just going and trying to do another cleanse, I decided to get the blood work done. Figured out that that is what was going on, and found out that I was deficient in vitamin D, B12, omegas, or actually no, vitamin D, B12, and testosterone. And I was trying to address these nutritional deficiencies with supplements, but I really think that just incorporating some really quality animal protein into my diet is just more beneficial for me. Yeah, because I really thought that eating a plant-based diet was the healthiest thing for me, but I'm starting to realize that there are some benefits to having animal protein in my diet. Show you guys, and I felt a responsibility to just talk about it because I know that a lot of people, myself included, are just really influenced by what we see on social media. Yeah, so that was my intention. I hope you guys do check out Roar Organics, which is one of my favorite drinks right now, and I like that I can actually go on the 7NOW app and get the Roar Organics ordered to me. But there's a 7-Eleven not too far from me that I normally just go to, but you can check out the link in my description to see if there is a location that carries Roar Organics near you. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching this video, and let me know if you want to see more what I eat in a days. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.